Got teal here, dropping in. And mallard, a lot of mallard actually. Weather's gone very black. There's awful lot of wildlife moving, and a lot of ducks down here at the minute. Probably 300 to 500. Zoom out a little bit. See if there's any geese in amongst them. Mainly mallard. Ah, there's the geese. Along, and there's quite a few sitting down. Look at the back. Scan along all these ducks. Very cold day, 4 degrees. We're at Southport on the Marine Drive. And I've managed to bounce the car up onto the ground. You can't park anywhere on the actual driveway. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, tell your friends. Feel free to download anything you like, and it's all there for everyone's use. AA-AUDITS, bye for now.